Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a topic from mathematics, which is about ANOVA. We will see what do you mean by one-way ANOVA, two-way ANOVA, what are the tests involved in ANOVA, and what are the advantages, disadvantages, and many more things. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. So first, let's start with the introduction of ANOVA. So ANOVA, which stands for Analysis of Variance, is a statistical method used to compare means of multiple groups. It helps determine if there are significant differences between the group means and is often used to analyze experimental data in various fields, such as science, social sciences, and businesses. So you'll have a question in your mind. So what is ANOVA? So ANOVA, or the full form, which is analysis of variance, is a statistical method which is used to compare means between three or more groups to determine if there are statistically significant differences. It is commonly used in research and experimental design to assess the impact of multiple factors on a dependent variable. ANOVA provides valuable insights into group differences and interactions. So there are two types of ANOVA. One is one-way ANOVA and two-way ANOVA. First, let's discuss about what is one-way ANOVA. So one-way ANOVA, comparison of three or more groups. One-way ANOVA analyzes differences between three or more groups. It examines the impact of a single independent variable on a dependent variable. It tests whether the means of the group are significantly different from each other. Now let's see what do you mean by two-way ANOVA. So comparing factors, the two-way ANOVA compares the effect of two independent variables on a dependent variable simultaneously. It allows us to access not only the main effects of each variable, but also any interaction between the variables. This method is especially useful when we want to understand how two factors may influence the outcome and whether their effects are independent or interactive. It's commonly used in experimental research to analyze multiple factors that might affect the results. So what are the assumptions of ANOVA? First one is homogeneity of variance. All groups being compared should have roughly equal variability. Second, independence of observations. Each data point should be independent of the others. Normality. The data within each group should be normally distributed. So let's see the hypothesis testing in ANOVA. First, let's formulate hypothesis. Starting by the null and alternative hypothesis for ANOVA test, conduct the test, utilize the F statistic to compare within group and between group variances, access significance, determine the p-value to evaluate the statistical significance of the F statistic. So how do we interpret the ANOVA results? First, by comparing variances. Examine the differences in variance between groups and determine if they are statistically significant. Second way is statistical analysis. Understand the significance of F ratio, p-value, and degree of freedom to draw meaningful conclusions. Third, effect size assessment. Evaluate the magnitude of differences between groups, providing insights into the practical significance of findings. So post hoc tests in ANOVA, Turkey honors significant difference. So Turkey's HSD test is used to identify which specific group means differ from each other following a significant ANOVA result. Second is a Born-Ferroni correction. The Born-Ferroni correction is a method that adjusts the significance level to account for multiple comparisons in post hoc tests. I'm sorry if I'm not able to pronounce this. It's Scaffe's method. Scaffe's method is a conservative approach that maintains control over the family-wise error rate when conducting multiple comparisons. So let's see what are the advantages and disadvantages of ANOVA. First, advantages provides a statistical comparison of means. Flexibility can handle multiple groups and variables. Limitation sensitive to violation of assumptions. ANOVA offers the advantage of statistically comparing means, providing flexibility to handle multiple groups and variables. However, it is sensitive to violations of assumptions, which can impact the accuracy of results. So we have reached the conclusion of today's video. So it was basically a theory. There's nothing much to explore here. After exploring let's see what do you mean by conclude. What are the conclusions we have reached by seeing the ANOVA topic? So after exploring the intricacies of ANOVA, it is evident that it provides a robust tool for analyzing variance and identifying differences between groups. The ability to conduct hypothesis testing and interpret results makes ANOVA a valuable statistical method in research and data analysis. With its advantage and limitations duly noted, ANOVA stands as a foundational tool for understanding and comparing group means, contributing significantly to the field of statistical analysis. So that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you get to know something, some basic idea about ANOVA. If you like the video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe for future contents. Uh, if you have anything to say it in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video till the end, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys.